Smoke, it's your boy Chief Green here at Las Vegas. We're here in Las Vegas at the Sourcing and Magic Show with my boy Mohamed. And can you tell us a little bit about your business and your business name?
My business name is Masonic Regalia International, and I'm owner of this company.
Yes, he is. And I can speak for myself that I love their work. They are the manufacturers of our wonderful Smoke Weed Everyday leather jacket, and we got these coming soon. Can you tell us a little bit about your MOQs, your turnaround, just your specialties?
We make all kind of streetwear apparels, leather jacket, watsy jacket, joggers, nylon suits, all kind of stuff. If you want to show my booth, you will see a lot of different products. And our MOQs are 30 to 50 pieces and 100 pieces, depend on the product and techniques of what you guys looking for. And we support to the new brands who just started. That's our main, focus right now.
Okay, so their main focus is on the startups, the little guys, the up-and-comers, the grinders like me and you out there. Let's look at this right here. All right, so you got a custom mossy print. We designed our own camo that we got coming up. For example, if you wanted a full fit like this done, what would it cost to get made, and what would be the MOQ on it?
$14 to $15 a hoodie, oversized, and the pant will be like $13, depending on the fit, maybe $12. It's depend on the totally fit, and it's 80% cotton and 20% polyester.
Polyester, okay. And would this is a 50 MOQ or 30 MOQ?
No, for this kind of work, if we don't have the material in stock, minimum is like 200 pieces.
200 pieces.
Yes, and if we have a material in stock, we can make 50 pieces.
Okay. Would you be able to do my own pattern?
Yes. Once we don't have fabric in stock, we can make 200 pieces with your custom pattern, no problem.
Okay. Okay, so if you wanted to do a custom pattern or something like this, you have to go up a couple pieces to like 200 and won't be able to start at your 30, 50 minimum, but you have something that no one else has out there, and it'll be totally unique, and you can create your own price point when you're creating your own product. So yeah, we appreciate you and thank you very much. Can you tell us a little bit about this jacket that you made for us?
This jacket is made in made of 100% leather, cowhide leather, and we applicate with as per your instruction. We make if you move around back. Yeah, this is a bag. Same thing. It's a shiny material. You told us to do it, and you told us you want satin lining. We do satin lining as per your requirement. That's
what I found. I forgot this was in here.
Bandanas.
Yeah, cool. I didn't realize that.
So it has a pocket inside with the leather and a nice zipper and the pockets on the side. Yeah.
Nice. So yeah, this is really awesome. And can you do like different designs on the stitching on the inside?
We can. Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, everything came just like I wanted. They did this 100% to spec, and I really appreciate them. Shout out to my guy Mohamed, the owner of MRI, man.
Yeah, tap in MRI.
They come highly recommended, man. These guys are, top notch. I feel like they're running sourcing here at Magic. Tap in with them. We're going to shout the links out and all that on IG. And follow them on IG.
This is our company card. You guys can tap in.
All right, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, man. Smoke TV, your boy Chief.